Hi, I'm Hala, founder of Dietapplements, talking to you from Royal Tunbridge Wells, Kent. If you're a busy professional, a parent, someone who's been putting yourself last, or someone who always feels on the go, you know what it feels like to be stretched thin. You're exactly who I had in mind when I formulated this supplement. We have here 4,000 IU of vitamin D3, 100 micrograms of vitamin K2, and 500 milligrams of vitamin C, all in one small vegetarian capsule, 4-month supply. No fillers here, no additives, no junk, just the active ingredients. We have it in a glass jar to protect the ingredients from the sun, from the light, so you have full potency. It's made in a GMP-certified facility right here in the UK. You know, our bodies can't store vitamin C. That's why we need to consume it from food or supplements every day. We think of vitamin C as something we reach for when we feel a sniffle coming on, but as we age and as our lives become more demanding, this molecule becomes more than just a quick fix. When we formulated this KDefence formula, I wanted to address two things my community asks about: keeping our immune system resilient and keeping our bones strong. And vitamin C does a lot of the heavy lifting in these two areas. It contributes to normal collagen formation, which is a glue for the normal function of our bones. And when I think about the people I have around me, mostly tired parents, women looking after everyone else first, our immune system works quietly in the background all the time, and we use vitamin C every day in that background work. It protects our cells from oxidative stress, which means it deals with all the wear and tear of pollution, smoke, poor diet, poor sleep, the things we all face. And for many of you, especially my fellow parents, the biggest hurdle isn't just staying well, it's staying energized. That's why the science of vitamin C is so fascinating. It reduces tiredness, it contributes to normal energy yielding metabolism. I'm a single parent, and when I describe myself as running on empty, this combination of immune protection, collagen formation, and being less tired is what I really need. And when you pair vitamin C with vitamin D3, with vitamin K2, you're also supporting your immune system, you're supporting your psychological function. Now you're able to navigate a hectic day. Lastly, the legal bit. This supplement is not a replacement for a varied, balanced diet and a healthy lifestyle. Please have your vitamin C from food. It's in bell peppers, kiwi, strawberries, all the yummy stuff. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll speak to you later.